Trading the foreign exchange market carries high risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Trading on margin, utilizing leverage can carry an even higher level of risk that can lead to a complete loss of investment funds. So before deciding to trade the foreign exchange market or using any of our software alert products, you should carefully and diligently consider your personal investment objectives, level of experience, and risk tolerance. There is a possibility that you could potentially sustain significant loss. You should not invest any capital or trade that you cannot afford to lose. It is your responsibility to be aware of and understand all risks associated with foreign exchange trading and to seek professional advice from an independent certified financial advisor if you have any doubts. Auvoria Prime does not exercise trading authority over your trades. You and you alone exercise discretionary trading authority over every trade.
Look at the chart here. That sale is a beautiful sale. Beautiful sale. I was watching on the 5-minute chart. Watch it. So we get about 24 minutes until London open. So we'll kind of go over the setup here, let everybody jump on real quick. Then I'm going to go over, we'll go over the setup and what I anticipate is going to happen. All right. What I anticipate is going to happen. So we'll give everybody a little time to get on the call. All right. But congrats to those who got in that sale. I almost got in, but it didn't follow my trading plan. My trading plan is never trade GER 30 before London open. I've done it too many times. I got burnt way too many times. So, hey, but I want to jump in on that sale. I was going to jump in. Appreciate it, Julian. Man, I'm down here in Houston, guys, doing some work. So I'm sitting in a hotel room, haven't had a chance to eat. So I'm eating right now. Got some nachos. Drink tonight is Pepsi. I don't do it because I heard your voice say, don't trade before the session starts. Hey, it's tough. I've done it too many times and got burnt. All right. Got about 30 people on the call. Over 30 people on the call. William says on the northwest side of Houston. Okay. I am I'm in the H for I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm gonna go to y'all know Calvin the Goat, CTG. I'm gonna go to lunch with Calvin tomorrow. And after that, man, I'm heading back to Dallas. So I'm just here. I've got a radio spot that I got to do in the morning. Then I'm doing lunch and I'm out. Alberto, yes, I saw you call that the fractals. Let's go back and take a look at it. The fractals. Let's go add the fractals to it real quick. Let's see here. The fractals on the 1 minute. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 fractals on the 1 minute. All right there. Came back, closed back in, a little fake out. Dropping ever since. So we'll see. We got 21 minutes until London open. I don't really care what it's done. I don't really care what it does until it does what it does. All right. So we got to wait. We'll give it a few more minutes. About 1:45, I'll show my markups on the chart. Let everybody jump on the call though. All right. Calls are so much better on Zoom. Yes, they are. We are. Let me clean the camera there. It seems a little dirty. Hold on, guys. So it's better. The company that is building the final solution, they're going to do a makeshift solution for us in the meantime. So we're going to get to use their technology. It's just not going to be the full technology. So we're going to get a makeshift version of it. And It's already been tested, and talking to the team that tested it, they said that it is very similar to Zoom, no lag. So we should have very good quality here. We should have it up and running hopefully tonight. So Monday or Tuesday. So we should get that up and set up. Bow Wow over Soldier Boy. Nate, who is assisting you doing the Q&A, answer the questions? David, nobody. I've been doing the Q&A all by myself since we started this thing. So I talk, I answer the chat, and I do Q&A all at the same time. After a while, you get used to it. Jeremy says he stays in Richardson. Oh, man, nice. You're not too far then. Once I get approval to use the conference room at the office, then anybody in the DFW, I'll be letting everybody know, come on through. You can come on and be there, for the London sessions live. All right. Why do you use the M1 on GER30? Why not other time frames? So I only use the 1 minute for entries. I'll show you the progression of how I do everything else. But I use the 1 minute for entries because of how volatile it is. I wish I could use the 30 seconds because sometimes our 1 minute entries still have more drawdown. I would love to get to the point where, like last Wednesday morning, our first London session of the week, we caught 308 pips and we only had drawdown of 7 pips. So I love to have tight stop losses. Like if we could get to the point where every trade, we only risk 20 pips and we catch 150, 200, 300, 400, it only increases your risk to reward ratio and allows you to risk less money. So that's what I want to get to, is where we're risking less money. So the M1 gives you tighter entries and allows you to catch more pips. All right, Thomas up 11 pips on GU Strat 3. Nice. Counter trend, but 5 out of 6 G pairs are up and GP is strong. Nice. Trey said he's in Houston. Let him join the luncheon. Hey man, find me on Instagram, man, and hit me up. Anybody in Houston, we might just do that. I don't know. We might just do that. Nate, I was going through the basics course, and some of them don't have graphics. Yes, so they are working on adding all the graphics. They should have been added, but they're working on all the graphics and animation for the actual forex basics course. So it should be complete here really, really soon, is what I've been told. Dominic, you in the H count too? All right, cool. I hit up Calvin, and we may just put out a blast in the chat, say, hey, anybody in Houston, meet us here for lunch. So I'll talk to him tomorrow. I talked to him. He asked me if I want to go anywhere. Only place I want to check out that I haven't checked out yet is the old turkey hut everybody keeps talking about. So Alberto up 217 pips on GER30. Let's go. Let's go back and take a look at it. Oh, yeah, it went all the way down. Nice. So that the zone right now, the AIRO zone on the M1. All right, so we're at the bottom here. So we got about 15 minutes, 16 minutes to the call. Let me tell you the open. We're at the low. I'm looking for potential continuation. If we stay here, somewhere in here for the next 15 minutes, then I'm expecting for a push down, rejection, and then the run up. So if I get a rejection, if I get price to come down here and test this area and then give a rejection, a bullish rejection, I'm looking to take price from, I'm looking to do something like this. So London Open, we see this. I'm hoping to see this for London Open. I'm hoping to see something like this. Not necessarily a W, but I'm just looking for it to come back, drop, retest, and then I'm looking to take it all the way back up to the top of 80 channel. Kind of like we did with last Wednesday morning, the first London session last week. We had the fake out to the upside. It hit that top of that order block, and then we took it, the sell off the order block, and caught it all the way to the bottom of the 80 channel, 300 pips. All right. So I'm looking to do something like that. So I'm gonna do something like that. That'll be a nice move. That'd be a nice little somewhere between 300 to 370 pips, depending on our entry off the bounce. So it could be a nice little move up right there. Nice little move up. Nice little move up. All right, all right. So we have look at it go. I was gonna get in here. This long institutional candle, bearish engulfing. I was gonna get in here. 23 pip drawdown. I'd be up about 210 pips right now. It's a good risk to reward ratio. Very good risk to reward ratio. You know, that's what I saw. I saw the fake out to the upside, bearish engulfing. That right there was a given right there. And then the bearish engulfing had a fractal high. And then he could have put another position right here. Because for me, this right here, my TP would have been the bottom of 80 channel. So 170 pips. And then I had another entry right here when AIRO gave the entry. Even though it's not a bag entry, I know it should be heading down to the bottom of 80 channel. And there had been another 85 pips, 84 pips. So 250 pip move right there. First entry, second entry. And that second entry only would have had drawdown of about 27 pips. So 23 pip drawdown up here, 27 pip drawdown right here. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Still dropping. So that'd have been a safe 250 pips right there because, again, the volatility is not in the market yet. I don't like to trade GER 30 unless the volatility is there because all it takes is one of these candles to kill you. Somebody probably gotten this thing for a buy right here because it broke the top. You were up 57 pips, and then that bad boy dropped on you. You held. Somebody blew their account. Trust me, somebody blew their account. The GER gives you a lot of fake outs until there's volatility. So as we're here, I'm expecting this bad boy to drop. Down here gives our entry, and then we're going to take TP right there. TP number 1 will be the top of 80 channel. Is what I'm looking at, expecting. And then TP number 2 would be the bottom of the AIRO's resistance zone. And then TP number 3 would be this order block here. All right, so we got 11 minutes until London Open. Let's go ahead and go through how I marked up the chart. All right, so let's do this here. Indicators list, delete the fractals, delete AIRO, close. All right. So I started on the H1. As always, you guys know me. I start on H1, and the H1 and M15 is where I mark my order blocks and my imbalance zones, if I have any. And then from there, every now and then, I'll mark order blocks inside of 80 channel on the M5. All right, so you can see here, again, you want to create your trading range. All right, So your trading range, price was in this area before this long red candle. Price was just ranging, trending up. All right. So I did what? I marked. You can see price drop right here. So first green candle before the uptrend. That's an order block right there. 1 hour order block. That's why that's marked. All right. Right here, this red candle was the first red candle before the big drop. And that's the highest red candle. You see, you got these ones here, but this is the highest one. So you trend it up, first red candle, then the drop. Even though this wick came up here, you don't care about the wick. You look at his bodies. So you see here, that's a 1 hour order block. All right. Same thing right here. 1 hour order block. And same thing right here. Before the move up, 1 hour order block. All right. So I got 4 order blocks here. All right. I then go down. I've created my trading range. So I got my trading range here, but I also have the additional on either side of the trading range. Just in case price breaks out of that, I need to be prepared quickly to know what price may be going. All right. So I've got those set up. Next, I come down to the 15-minute chart. All right. Come down to the 15-minute. All right. I didn't see too much of anything. You have a little bit of order block. I mean, you got something right here you can mark if you wanted to. You can mark that right there. Kind of where everything bounced off out of. Went into the order block, got a bearish engulfing, big drop. So I saw that right there. Then you also have some imbalance right here on this candle on the M15, which is right below the right below this order block, 1 hour order block, which should also coincide with the what do you call it? The AIRO resistance zone. So you see here, you got some imbalance right here. All right, right there. So if I deleted this one away, all right, you got some imbalance right there. All right. That's why for me, my take profit, if we get the buy, get the bounce off of this order block down here, my take profit is going to be the bottom of Asia channel because of this order block right here that price bounced off of already. That's why I'll be looking to put my take profit at just right below the Asia channel, the top Asia channel. All right. So 15-minute time frame, you got an order block right here. You got imbalance right above it. So all this is just should all be blue. I left it alone. I don't like to convolute my charts. I also went down to M5. I marked Asia channel. So I got the top of Asia channel right here, here, and the bottom here. All right. As you guys know, Asia channel is from the new start of the day right here. This line right here, this perforated line to the start of the money zone. So if we add the money zone on, we add AIRO on, you see the money zone. See the money zone is started right here. So the highest body of the candle for before, between the start of the new day, the perforated line, white line right here, and then the start of money zone is right there at the body, and the lowest is right here at the body. All right. So that is our Asia channel. So now we know where Asia channel is at. Now we know where it's at and how, where price may play off of. As you guys know, GER likes to play off of Asia channel. All right. You see it played around at the top, drop, play around at the bottom. Now we'll see what happens. All right. Again, we got 7 minutes. I'm expecting it to come down here, give us our entry, and we looking to take a buy to the upper room. The upper room. That's how I marked the charts up. So I created my trading range. Now I marked these in here because price came inside, rejected here twice, then finally broke through it. So you could have put another entry right here. Hit this area again, rejected. This is a green candle right here, went up, came back, created another bearish engulfing right there. And so I marked those levels. So these are 5 minute, order blocks inside of the Asia channel. All right. Inside the Asia channel. And that's just based off of where I saw price, rejecting at. Everything else is smooth. Look at that. Smooth. Rejection, rejection, smooth, smooth, rejection, rejection, smooth. Bottom of Asia channel. Played around. Now it's dropping. So whenever you are drawing your order blocks, whenever you're drawing your imbalance zones, You can easily do it by, let's go look at the blank chart here. I'll pull up at GU. Here's a blank chart. All right. Let's go to H1. Just figure it out. Where does price reject at? You know, why is price, so where's price rejecting at? And why? You know what I'm saying? Why? Look at that. You got an imbalance here. Price came down here, tapped the top of it, took off. So just find where price rejects at, and then go market to find out why it rejected that area. You'll find out levels of imbalance. You'll find levels of order blocks over and over and over and over again. All right. Don't believe me? Let's go back further. Go back a little further. All right. We'll stop right here. We'll stop right here. All right. We'll stop right here. All right. So guess what? You got a bearish engulfing candle right here. And you stretch it out. And guess what? Price dropped from here, came back, retested it, and did what? Drop. Look at that. This is the H1. Straight up, you got a bearish engulfing. Man, look at that. Bearish engulfing, came back, retouched it, and then dropped 60 pips. So we come down to the 5-minute time frame. Oh, man. Where'd it go? There it is. All right, price going to come back up here. Drop, came back, kissed it, dropped again. All right, happens all the time. Happens all the time. Don't believe me? Let's go find another one. Let's go find another one. So here is the order block right here. Drop below it, came back, kissed it again, bearish engulfing, drop. So you can even take some of these moves on the H1. Look at that. 2-pip drawdown, it dropped 48 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful setup. Happens all the time. Happens all the time. Let me find a level imbalance. We got 3 minutes until London open. 3 minutes. Let's go find some imbalance. Let me see here. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Look at this. Beautiful right here. Beautiful. Look at that imbalance right there. And guess what? Price came back. Came back. Wow, look at that. It's retesting somewhere. Retesting. Look at that. Doji, one. Boom. Second doji. Inverted hammer. Big drop. 104 pip drop. You had a doji and then an inverted hammer come touch the same area. Well, that area is familiar. I wonder what that area is. Imbalance from the day before. Imbalance candle right there. Too easy, guys. So you add this, when you add this, come in here and you throw AIRO on top. All right, throw AIRO on top. And you see that below your moving average. Again, we're too far back, so I don't know if there's an arrow there or not. But I guarantee you, using a downtrend. I mean, just all the confirmations are there. All right, all the confirmations are there. All right. So you add this concepts, add AIRO on top, and it makes trading just a little bit easier on knowing what price is going to go to, come back to, yada, 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 yada. All right. So whoever's in that sale, boy, is eating good right now. I'm mad I didn't get in that trade, but follow the trading plan. So, all right. So we just wait now. We just going to wait. I'm on a 5-minute time frame. All right, I'm on a 5 minutes. I'm waiting for price to get down to this level. It's coming. It's coming. If I'd have got my entry, what is my entry? My entry has been somewhere around here. 327 pips. Should have had a second entry right here on the bag entry. I don't really see nothing right here that gives me another entry, but yeah. Easy money, guys. Easy money. Now we wait. We got 1 minute till London open. 1 minute. 1 minute. And there we go. London Open. London Open. London Open. All right. Go to the 1 minute time frame. All right. We're going to see what it gives us. All right. See what it gives us. Is it just going to keep on dropping? Golly, whoever in this trade is eating good. Secure your profits. Secure your profits. All right, we just wait now. We just wait. I'm waiting for it to pull back up, give us our entry. We had the fake out. We had the fake out. All right. And the fake out. Now I expect it to come back up and give us our buy entry. We'll see. If it doesn't, then we expect price to drop below the order block, come back, retest it, and then drop for the sale. But that's not what I'm expecting. That is not what I'm expecting. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So we're just going to wait. 701 or 201. Just going to wait. Gonna wait for our entry. If it closes out of the order block, I am probably going to enter into a buy. Yep. And we're gonna wait. I'm in the buy, guys. Oh, this thing tripping, sure. I am in a buy. And I'm going back to the top of Asia channel, just right below it. So I'm looking for 320 pips. 320. 320. 320. Stop loss going to be 20 pips below this candle right here. Let me go ahead and mark that bet. Hold on, let me mark it here. 20 pips below is going to be about all right. Might have got in too early. Usually don't see drawdown like this. Might have got in too early. So we got the retest. That's right. I didn't wait for the retest. Retest. We should be good though. I didn't wait for the retest though. Got to be more careful. But yeah, we could be good though. We should be good. Yep, there go the retest. And there go the bullish engulfing candle right here. And that would be the entry, which is the same point we got in at. We just wouldn't have to, we wouldn't have to deal with the the drawdown. So it came out, came back, retested it, bullish engulfing. So our entry was about the same. So stop loss technically should be right here, 20 pips below this candle if we'd entered in there. So somewhere around right here. I like that. I like that. And so yeah, I'm looking to take my TP, top of Asia channel. That's what I'm looking for, top of Asia channel. And again, hey, you see something, if I see something, I'm not gonna be ashamed to change my trade. Like right now, it's doing something stupid. All right, let's do this real quick. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Go, go. There we go. Go, go. Up 100 pips. Up a hundo. Up a hundo. Up a hundo. We up a hundo. Looking for 3. Looking for 3. Top of Asia. TP1, top of Asia. I'm going about 20 pips below the Asia session channel. All right, that's where I'm going. Once I see we are at about 200 pips in profit is when I'm going to put my stop loss in profit and make it a free trade. And we just about there. I saw 152. Let's go, baby. 153. Come on, baby. Let me see that 200. Let me see that 200. Let me see 200. Hopefully it doesn't get to this order block and turn around. All right. So we should be, yeah, we're almost at 200. I'm getting ready to make this a free trade. Lock in about 25 pips of profit and then just let it ride. Let it ride. 163. All right. Just got an AIRO support zone popped up. That's good. I'm waiting for AIRO now. We get a bag entry. Man. More confirmation. Sitting at that 153, 163 range. Come on, baby. Breakthrough. Breakthrough. There it is. 200. Free trade, baby. I'm locking in profits now. Free trade. I'm locking in 25 pips. Up 200 right now. Up 200. Up 230. 223. 250. 250. 273. 283. We at 263 right now, climbing, about to hit that TP. Wait for it. 313, 312, TP hit. Let's go. Make some noise, guys. Make some noise. And we got a bag entry. This is how we do it, guys. Hey, it's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Hey, come on, guys. I know y'all got that. I know y'all got them 300 pips. Feels good to hit TP, guys. Feels real good to hit TP. Feels real good. Still going. It's still going. Still going. Good Lord, it's still going. But hey, you guys saw why I gave you guys analysis on why I took it to the bottom of Asia session. But yeah, that's why we took it. That's why we took it. Took it to the bottom of Asia session. Still going. That was a nice little 3. I gotta go see what I bagged. We go find what I bagged there. 321. 321. 321 pips. Thomas said took 400. Nice. Move stop loss at 250 in profit, letting it run. Nice. Mark, hey man, that's what you do, man. Let it run. Do his thing. Let it run. 250, can't go wrong with 250. Looney caught 350. Nice. Call tomorrow, Nate. You have to. I might. I don't know. Actually, tomorrow I have the developer insights call. So my usual Sunday night call is now Monday nights. Mike said he took 250. Julian 500. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Thomas got 35 on GU too. Nice. Nice. William took 250. Mike took 250. Julian 500. 400 from Thomas. I took 320. So I mean, I'm happy. I'm happy with that. Mark says stop loss at 300. Nice. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. I'm done, guys. One trade, one and done. I've learned now. I said, Bobby came in with, here we go, Bobby, 100 pips. Garvin, 1,000. Hey, Garvin, you must have had multiple entries. Jemiah, 375. Ooh. Yeah, getting it. That's it, guys. That's it. I mean, you guys called it. I told you guys I was looking for price. Like I told you guys, the trick with GER that I've been noticing, and it's been planning out. Wherever it is at to Asia session, I'm looking for two things. All right. If it's still inside Asia session, I'm looking for it to bounce off the bottom of Asia session or the top and head the opposite direction. Or if it's on the other side, I wait for it to fake out to the downside, wait for the reverse, and we go into the upper room. We go into the upper room. We got in early. My fault. That's my fault. We got in early. Golly, that thing's still running. We should have got in. We got in early. We should have got in when price came back, retested, and then gave a bearish engulfing. That was only a drawdown of 59 pips. And right now it's up over 540 pips right now. So, and like I said, it's probably going to go. So it's already gone to TP2 because TP2, like I told you guys, was the arrow zone. TP3 is getting ready to hit is this 1 hour order block. And man, that's a nice move right there. That's about 640. Well, hold on. What was our entry at? For our entry, that order block up there is going to be 654 pips. So we caught about half that move. Half that move was getting ready to hit it right now. So for those who put stop loss and profit and let it run, hey, that was a good idea. That was a good idea. Probably should have done the same thing, but I was happy with 320. That was a good night for me. I like 320. So we are plus 320 for the week already. I might do another call next week, tomorrow night. We'll see. Daniela, 175. Nice. Alberto said he got it both ways. Yeah, that sale was a good sale. Zan, 450. Nice. Let's get it. But yeah, guys, we caught our pips. Shout out to all 43 of you guys that got on the call. I'm pretty sure that when we start doing this more often, more people get on this call. So look out for more of these impromptu calls. They're going to be just on GER 30 only, catching these London breakouts. Because that's all I like to trade. The London breakout, man, you can make your money. On my account, I can tell you right now, percentage-wise, I did 37% on that one trade. 37%. 37%. Mark 486. Nice. So again, nice moves like that. You can really make your week. Like that's a one trade. I don't need to do anything else for the day. I'm done. Tomorrow night, I'll do the same thing. I'm gonna trade GER 30. Look to make 25% or more. My goal is to catch hopefully 250 to 500 pips, somewhere in that range. I'm happy. All right. So hopefully you guys learn a little bit about order blocks. Hopefully you learn a little bit about imbalance, how it works. Again, you use those levels to retest. I didn't go through the theory behind them all, but I'll do that on the usual call. Again, this call was more or less just a simple get in and trade call. So we'll see. We may do a call tomorrow night, and we'll go from there. In the meantime, thanks for jumping on, and I'll see you guys in the funny papers.